In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Ethereum, ETH, on the Binance iPhone app using a debit or credit card or Apple Pay. First, open the Binance app on your iPhone and log in. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and that your app is up to date for the smoothest checkout experience. Keep your account verification and security set up ahead of time and never share any codes you receive with anyone. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the home screen. Tap Buy Crypto, then tap Buy. This opens the purchase flow where you can set your currency, amount, and the cryptocurrency you want to purchase. At the top, tap the currency name and switch it to your local currency, like USD, or another option that matches your card and bank. Using your local currency helps you see the exact total your bank will charge and can reduce unexpected conversion fees. Next, tap the amount box and enter the amount you want to spend. The app will show you an estimate of how much ETH you'll receive. Keep in mind there are minimum purchase amounts and fees, which will be reflected before you pay. If you're testing the process for the first time, you might start with a small amount to get familiar with the flow. Now tap Buy again, then use the search to find ETH. Select Ethereum, making sure the ticker shows ETH so you're purchasing the correct asset. Tap Payment Method and choose debit/credit card or Apple Pay if it's available for your region. If you're using a card, ensure it's enabled for online and crypto transactions. If you're using Apple Pay, it will use the card you've added to your wallet, which can speed up checkout. Tap Preview Order to see all the details before committing. Review the price, fees, and total charge, as well as the estimated ETH you'll receive. Crypto prices move quickly, so slight differences may occur between the preview and the final execution. When everything looks right, tap Pay to confirm your purchase. You'll be prompted to approve the transaction using Face ID, an SMS code, or a bank confirmation. Complete whichever verification appears. Only approve prompts you initiated inside the app. After authorization, your purchase will process and you'll see a confirmation on screen. Your new ETH will appear in your Binance wallet shortly. That's the full process. Open the app and log in, tap Buy Crypto, choose Buy, set your local currency, enter your amount, select ETH, pick your payment method, preview the order, confirm with Pay, and approve the verification.